Z-clad natural stone cladding is innovative. It uses natural stone in ready-made panels to create a flawless and attractive finish that's available in 4 different colours: classic, contemporary, natural, and rustic. To avoid unnatural-looking joins, each panel is made in a Z shape so that it fits seamlessly with its neighbour. With Z-clad, there's no need for specialist skills or equipment, and it can be used to create internal and external corners as simply as building a straight run. This film will demonstrate how easily you can work with Z-clad to make feature walls in a fraction of the time it takes to build traditional stonework. Z-clad comes in a box with sufficient panels to cover an area of 1/3 of a square metre. Before you start, make sure you have enough panels to cover the wall area you intend to clad. To do this, simply measure the horizontal and vertical dimensions, multiply these 2 figures together, and then add on 10% to cover wastage and cutting. To fix Z-clad, all you need are a few basic hand and power tools and an adhesive to apply the panels to the wall. Mix the adhesive either by hand or using a power mixer, making enough to do a small area at a time. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Ideally, the mixture will stick to a trowel, but still can be flicked off easily. It is important that your first course of cladding is level, or it will be harder to correct errors later. Use packing pieces when necessary. Always start the cladding at a corner. Offer the panel to the wall first to ensure it fits, before using a grooved trowel to spread the adhesive evenly on the wall. Push the panel firmly into place using a rubber mallet, allowing the interlocking edge to overhang the corner. Repeat on the other side of the corner, interlocking the Z-clad panels to make a good join. Complete the corners at either end of a course before working to the centre, to ensure that any cut edges are hidden. Apply adhesive to either end of a panel to fill the joint area and give the finished wall a seamless appearance. The process for making external or internal corners is the same. The panels can be cut using an electric grinder. However, you may find it easier to use a cutting bench. To avoid waste, measure the panels accurately, cutting to a Z shape to maintain the seamless pattern. To ensure an even more secure fix on higher walls, panels come with an integral clip that can be easily screwed to the masonry behind. For walls over 2 meters high, we recommend these clips are used.